Hello everybody, this is KT from Alien Blue Films and welcome to our third episode. Before we could get into today's video, let's roll the intro. So on today's video is SICKNAL91'S radio interview at Caxton Radio. Shout out to Smashiso and his assistant for being the wonderful host. Before we could waste any time and data, let's get into the interview. Enjoy.
Of what you want to hear more often. Caxton Radio.
Yo, we're back again with Manizo Fishizo in the day set 365 days, no limit. It is what it is. Fifi.
When I'm preacher, now
Fifi.
war preacher. Oh, hallelujah.
Fifi.
In the day set.
Fifi.
365 days.
Fifi.
Amen.
Uyapha mntana womuntu. Khona le kuba yakho Signal ebathi mntana womuntu. Remember you were loving that song.
Yeah.
Welcome to the show, Signal.
Yeah. What's up? Welcome, guys. Yeah, Nimnani, guys.
Hamba nobani Signal.
Signal uhamba no KTL ngithola i-videographer yami on the way from Barcelona, Davidson. Simnandi.
Yo, this is KTL. Introduce yourself, my guy.
Yeah. That's what's up, yo.
Yeah, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah. I'm KT from the East End, straight from Etoile to Barcelona.
Yeah.
So what are you doing, my guy?
Yeah, I'm a videographer. I shoot music videos in the hood, and I shoot dramas as well.
Oh wow, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
Yazin, askate. When aqhubeka ushuthi sisazoqedelela yonke into mina now we interview njengamanje no Signal.
Yeah.
Signal man.
Yeah, my dog.
We are happy you are here, man. Thank you very much. We appreciate you. And siyabonga. I've got sunflower la uzazisa yena ukuthi ungubani.
Yeah.
Awuzazisa sunflower.
I'm not gonna feel it, guys. Done. You're still listening to Caxton Radio with your girl and your boy Smashiso and Refilwe, the Kasi Sunflower. We have our guest, Signal.
Yeah, Signal 91 of it.
Yeah,
Signal
boy.
Can you introduce yourself, my guy?
Yeah, Signal 91 i-artist of it who does genre hip hop, but I'm versatile. I do anything. You can jump on a piano, you can jump on gospel, but yeah, I'm imagine focus on genre hip hop of it.
Genre hip hop.
Why
You are a hip hopian, man.
Yeah, hip hop because I think it's God-given talent to spread the message, tell the story to the people, not just make hits, just tell the story.
So if God has given you hip hop, why must you be versatile? Why can't you just stick to hip hop? Done.
I don't want that title to be a rapper, just a rapper. We know we do rap music, but yeah, if you can do something, you must just capitalize on what you can do.
Okay, beautiful.
So man, tell me man, what makes you go to the hip hop? What inspires you? What motivates you? Inspiration, motivation.
Yeah.
Nokuthi vele ngiyenze lento vele.
Okay, yeah. Back in the days, we used to listen to I was 7 and
Wow.
Tech, yeah. So the minute I hear those type of tracks, I was like, yeah, man, I can do this too, you know.
Yeah.
So I started writing and said, okay, let me try. Yeah, again, I went, but work. But I was like, okay, let me focus on this. I can do this too. Then yeah, that's when I knew that this is God-given talent. I can do this.
So man, I heard that people they were saying you work.
Yeah.
What makes you go to proceed with? Because your work, you know. What makes you go to proceed and be motivated to dance? I hear that even people be saying I'm work.
Yeah, you know when they say you work, you take that weight, you change it, you say it's work. So you work hard, you know.
You work.
You work hard.
Beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful.
Oh yes, Amara.
Yeah, Moose. So tell me, Mom, about you, work, ne?
Yeah.
What do you think makes a great musician? Coming from work to work.
It's consistency.
Consistency.
Yeah, you must keep doing what you do. You work hard, like I said before. You work hard, consistency. That's what's make a better artist. It's not money, it's not fame. Just you work hard,
Put
consistency.
your heart in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
it's
man,
for the love.
what is your favorite track and who's your favorite artist in industry? And what makes you ukuthi mina namhlanje ngibe signal futhi?
Yeah, my favorite artist I think is KO.
Let's start with your favorite track.
A favorite track. My favorite track is Hallelujah by Pete.O.
Wow.
Yeah, it speaks to me every time, every lyric. I mean, it's like it's written by me.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah. And then, what's your favorite artist?
Favorite artist? Yeah, it's KO.
KO.
It was the late PRO, but now because it's gone, it's KO.
KO.
Yeah, the consistency in the game.
Sorry to cut you there, Nick.
Yeah.
So tell me, do you think you have the qualities that your favorite rapper
Yeah.
and the track, you
Yeah.
know, do you have the same qualities, or you're still about to go to that level of theirs?
I think I have the same qualities, and I think I can do more.
Do more.
Do more. Yeah,
Let's
yeah.
get it.
So man, I heard that you love KO.
Yeah, I love KO.
What do you see KO winning KO was Untitled?
Beside the rap game and like the lifestyle and opening doors for other people, it's been putting niggas in the game. So that's what I wanna do. I wanna open doors for people too, you know.
To the upcoming artists.
Yeah.
So man, when as we upcoming now.
Yeah.
So ufuna ukuzibona ukuphi? Where do you want to see yourself?
Owning my own record label, maybe something like Ambitious Entertainment. But yeah, like I said, I want to open doors for people. I want to put people.
Ambitious.
Yeah. It's
You know,
possible.
especially ambitious, it's linked with a lot of negativity.
Yeah.
So I'm surprised.
But yeah,
I'm surprised.
they bring the hits, right?
Yeah,
They
they
bring
the
great artists. Both Java, Bomangman, you know, Bo MT. I used to love MT.
But there is a thing that would see as he has a situation now with what is going on.
Yeah,
in
there's
this
a true side of the
inside
story.
of
yeah,
the
inside
company.
what's
Yeah.
going on. Because you know, namang zuphuma la Caxton if Caxton in Kosha. I won't say Caxton in Kosha Duguti. I'm gonna say Caxton ya bad.
Yeah, you're gonna protect your name. Like
Yeah,
you said,
protect
you're
your
gonna
name.
protect
To
your
get what I'm
name.
saying.
But would you say?
You remember MT Aveza something.
Elena, I'm not much into social media or whatever, you know.
Yeah.
But it can't be ukuthi abantu abaningi kanjena bakhuluma into eyi-one about umuntu eyi-one.
Yeah.
You know, like OMT na who's that guy who's
Java.
married to Buntle?
Java.
No, it's pretty ugly.
Pretty ugly.
Pretty ugly,
Yeah.
yes. But okay, they're talking the same thing about
You know-
Ambitious.
you know
so
what
I'm surprised if you wanna have a company like Ambitious.
Yeah, it's possible.
It's
big.
possible.
It's big.
It's possible, yeah, it is
Yeah.
possible.
So when a Fifi, there is a thing go company, ne?
Yeah.
When you join a record label or something,
Mhm.
there is a thing about Tina. I'm an artist, we don't respect ourselves. Do you get what I'm saying?
How
Because
so?
if Tina sophuma la so dawali, uyangithola abantu bashoot, siwisa in the Caxton radio. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yes, I
You
mean,
get what I'm saying?
we are all about uplifting the brand.
Yeah, we
are the
told.
face of the brand.
Sure. Do you
yeah.
remember Java what it did?
What did you do?
With the ladies Ama. Remember?
Angazi.
It's a story. Uyangithola into
Kumnandi.
engathi company sinikwada ukuthi hey lo muntu uzoswisa. Do you
Yeah.
know what I'm
Swisa,
saying?
yeah.
Sure. Yinto emotion ama artist, too much excitement.
Okay.
That's what's up. So Signal, we're gonna start your first
Let's go
song.
back to Sneaker.
Yeah, my first
Signal
song.
99, Signal 91.
Yeah.
Why you call yourself Signal 91?
So
Because
I hear there's a lot of people nabangfuna kuma Twitter, kuma handles wami everywhere. But all abanye signal. So I had to put the 91. So the 91 it stands for my birth year, like
okay.
yeah, signal 91.
We're gonna start in ngoma igama.
Yeah, igama.
Yeah, ibuyela le ngoma. What motivates you in the ngoma?
I think it was more about ukushela amantombazana and like okay,
Ooh,
I
I
can
want
write
to
a
hear
song.
that.
Ngicela ungishilele uFifi tu.
No,
I want to hear that.
I think I can write a song like ukushela and make it easy for my guys ukuthi bangene ngale ngoma yami.
Ngicela ungishilele uFifi.
Ucheli vela aswinge, put it hapa now.
Fifth. We're gonna play the
Listen
song.
to the song.
Yeah, Signal. It's called Igama.
Yes.
It is what it is. Bafethu, you are listening to Caxton Radio, more local, more often. Sise iparasi epalesi, the palace of the dreams. I wish you ngahlala every day ngilale la.
Ah.
Yeah, khona na
Uze
mawuthe.
afade.
Akhona siwathola mahala.
Oh,
Siphethe
mawusho.
Caxton. Sama nama A-lister. We're gonna play Igama. Yaka Signal.
Yeah.
91.
Yeah.
It's a P-City, I'm G2, explosively blessed on city. She and guilty, Pasha Zima, pity, keep up pity. Pretty CBC, tonight is me and you, so take it easy. I'll make a money boo, I'll make a money boo. Better when we had to get, with a body like that and a kiss like that, I'm gonna keep on our internet. With a body like that and a kiss like that, I'm gonna keep on our internet. What are you telling God? To play, forget chatting. I was like, okay, don't forget driving. Some shining, shades. Look at the face, she got a nigga tripping on the shoelace. I want cover the smile. I wanna freestyle. I'm running the jet, man. I'm ready to fly, and I'm ready to fly. I'm taking this booze on the booze. Me booze telling you come on, booze telling you come on, booze.
More local, more often. Fifi uyezwa? Unike ngile number ngizobheka.
Indlela engane.
Indlela engane.
Ngathi bakhuluma.
Ifana noFifi.
That's what's up, yo.
That's what's
Someone is smile.
You know, I love this song, Signal.
Okay.
Yeah.
So man, indlela engane, who's that ngane?
Dog, yo, it's private.
Private chat.
To all girls, about it. All girls out there, like
I think it was written for someone specific actually.
Yeah.
No, there's two names there. There's Mbali on the first verse, then there's Charmaine on the second verse.
So
Okay.
you're talking about two girls.
Who's that girl?
Are you dating two girls?
No.
We want that girl. What's the name of the girl?
The name of the girl. In the track, you find Mbali.
We know the girl on the bed.
Yeah.
Baby, Miguel, the number ngizobheka.
Come on, Charmaine to turn the champagne, you know.
Hey.
So we're gonna get into the second song, and then we say she's over and push on. So
Yeah,
we're gonna ask you a question.
Yeah.
What message are you sending through to your music, and the support structure ko ivelaphi?
It's supposed structure, I'm relevant, you know, when you have friends, then they tend to be brothers.
Yeah.
And then there's a family behind you that tells you what's in you gotta push, no matter what, this music is all you have. You gotta push this music, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what's up. So message you send it through to your music.
My message is never give up. If you listen to my songs, I talk about my upbringing, and people see me smiling. They don't know how do I smile because I've gone through a lot of things, but I still manage to smile at the same day, you know.
Yeah,
Okay.
So tell me, how would you describe your creative process when ubhizi lapho music yakho?
It depends what the inspiration is.
Aye. So when ungazibona nje student then ngaqala.
Yeah. Because every time I write, like every day, that's why I can see consistency. Even if it's 4 bars, I write every day.
Every day?
Every day.
Don't you get
I
bored?
write. No.
You do it for the love, ne?
Yeah,
I
for
can
the
tell.
love, especially.
It's passion. It's who you are, what you have. You know what I'm saying? Because what you have in life, you need to do it professionally.
Yeah.
And what you have in hand,
Yeah.
we protect.
Yeah.
Because if you don't protect your work, you don't love your stuff, we as there when yourself, that means your craft doesn't go anywhere. Modela.
Okay.
Okay. Hey Fifi, angangithathela ugayi ngoba ngathi uthanda amantombazane, ucela ngamantombazane. Signal and Fifi the Sunflower. It's Sicknal91, guys. Don't forget on Instagram, Sicknal91. It is what it is.
Sicknal91, YouTube,
Yeah.
Sicknal91.
91.
Yeah.
Lo 91 uminani.
1991 ngisho ngiyakutshela.
Nah,
bad.
yes,
Yeah.
Konomunye guy was calling me self angazini 53, and then he told me something ubhalenge Roman figure.
Yeah.
And so he said le gama khona into eminayo illumination start
Oh.
so ngathi illuminati.
I'm not into that.
It's not that deep. No, it's not that deep. No.
Signal 91 is my bet year.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna play the song yaka Signali wentombazana.
Yeah.
So
Girl.
wentombazana
Yeah.
yenzani lentombazana?
Intombazane
I catch it. Ngifuna ukuza ukuthi beats too.
and piano.
Commitment, sangoma samsezulu mafika wena chinchi weta ngithanda imphatho yakho ubuhle bakho uthando lwakho hlale kuze njengesithunzi sakho. I swear I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. Uthando lwethu baby buka la spot. Ayala bangana baringa zapa. Khosha tshwala mina nawe savana. Khosha tshwala mina nawe savana. Wano dikoti marame. I go zaling bamben. I keep falling for you. I go zaling bamben. Bamben, kuzen, bamben, sematandben, zimben, kuzen, bamben, sematandben. Zela ninjele ngomsola, zela ninjele ngomona, zela ninjele uhlala kuphi. Ninjele ngomsola, zela ninjele ngomona, zela ninjele uhlala kuphi. Ngobalotando ngiyifundela yena, ngiyithandela yena. Ngiyafundela wena uthando into inawe. Namhlanje ngizobanda kungane sisi nihamba nawe. Ngicela amadolo qephu kumbili niqanjinga ngawe. Empilweni yami nasemaphusheni ngifuna ukuba nawe.
Ufuna ukuba nawe Fifi emaphusheni.
Hayi lo mntwana
Leya awulekeziswa. Look at Fifi. Yo, ayo ndiyafunda kumavidiyo Fifi.
Bangamane bathakathi ngumaqondana wami wentombazana. Ninjele ngamsola, zela ninjele ngambona, zela ninjele uhlala kuphi. Awentombazana. Zela ninjele ngamsola, zela ninjele ngambona, zela ninjele uhlala kuphi. Ngoba lo thando ngiyifundela yena, ngiyithandela yena, ngiyamfanela yena. Lo ngiyifundela yena, ngiyifundela yena, ngiyamfanela yena. city. I'm from the big city. But I never see you. I'm so low. I'm on low. Who shall I? I went to my son. I'm so low. I'm on low. Who shall I?
Shout out to all the girls out there.
It's more local, more open, Caxton Radio.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
love you all up in Makai. I hope you're tuning in. Shout out to MPS, the Beats. Shout out to Chivaras. Shout out to Signal.
Yeah.
Shout out to my guy,
KT.
KT.
Yeah,
KT.
man. Yeah,
What's your brand label?
Alien Blue Films.
Alien Blue Films.
Yeah.
Aliens. Number Alien.
Yeah.
Yes, we are. Unzwile. This one. So Signal man,
Yeah.
if you're gonna open up a show, maybe you wanna open up the show. Whose artist are you willing to be like I'm gonna call that guy as everything?
It's KO, like I said.
KO, shout out to KO.
Yeah,
KO.
it's kind of good. Yeah,
Yes,
it's kinda good.
So man, what's Intombazana mean? What the message are you sending here? And Intombazana, what's basically in Intombazana?
Intombazana imbokodo.
Yeah.
Yeah, umuntu ongathintwa nje, sunflower.
So
So, yeah.
like what
Yeah,
I
you
said. Like what I said.
Yeah.
So dog, we were having a topic there about
Ilobola.
it's loboling because you
Yeah.
talk about love here and it's like
Yeah, bring
yeah,
the love
feet.
songs in.
So the topic when I signal it's about Ilobola, ne?
Yeah.
But not only focusing on Ilobola, we're focusing on if you are a guy, like you are a guy, baby.
Yeah.
You are a guy,
Yeah.
right? And I'm trying to look at law, and then your relationship yakula to a point where you guys uzopatala Ilobola with. So when you're done with the process of Ilobola, would you feel that you own the goal?
No, I don't own the
Keep
girl.
it right, no,
I don't
no.
own the girl, but the girl is mine. The girl is mine.
Jan.
It's mine.
When something is yours, when these headsets are yours, they're yours to keep.
Yeah.
You own
But,
them, you bought them.
yeah,
So
like-
do you feel Uti Maukipe Ilobola? Have you bought like an object like these headphones that are in front of you
A
right
human being is not an object.
now? So you cannot buy beautiful.
If people come to Zohamba, but at least I've done my part. That's what I want to do. I want to do my
So
part.
Signal,
with the
corner
world.
the party would say
Yeah.
if we are cheater,
Yeah.
Exactly what's going to
we are cheater, we are fuck up, and
Yeah.
then sorry for vulgar language.
Yeah.
Like wins into the snacks, do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So what are you doing? What are the solutions are you coming with?
I think it will sell pants.
Uzofuna refund or
No,
No, no full
no.
refund.
The refund, that means you were not doing it out of love. If you were doing it out of love from the bottom of your heart, you don't need a refund.
Yeah, true.
Uchitili, party yakhe le uzodila naye guilty conscious yakhe.
Yeah.
You move, yeah, you move.
So
you know,
mustn't like you guys, you have separated, divorced, it's final.
yeah.
You won't go and funa your revenge
No.
at all.
No.
I will now.
No.
No. Smashes of funa revenge.
It depends. It depends on your
Depends on what?
relationship.
Depends on what you love the person. Like,
what if that person is keep doing this thing, you cheater, you know? Like you
But
know
I think
you know girls dog ne?
Yeah.
When like mababona any party offense.
Mm.
Abakhohlwa ngale engefensi inyana.
And they say abafana bukela.
Yeah, abafana, you know, but I know ukuthi uget see fancy part.
Yeah.
Like abona istayela.
Yeah.
Yakuthiwa
Uzofuna the style.
uzofuna istayela.
Yeah, ngithola.
hey, wait, let's not talk about those like I'm not here.
Yeah.
But
Uzofuna the style, but
to
yeah.
those who are listening, to girls all over the world,
Yeah.
you guys, you're beautiful.
Yeah.
You're not objects to be
Not
bought.
objects, yeah.
And I'm not chitile girl, chitile. Let the guy move
You
on.
cheater. Yeah, cheater.
Let the guy move on.
So
Yeah.
thanks to Signal man, we thank you to be like no.
Yeah. There's something I want to say, Smash. Based on the topic.
Let
Okay.
me ask you another question. Let me ask you another question. On the creativity stuff.
Career.
Yeah, performed at Fame Grilled Radio. I think it was Candy Square. Yeah.
So what would you say this was your worst performance?
Yeah.
in everything, in every performance that you have done? No.
Good question, sis.
Yeah.
When I first started performing, it was at Devon Pumalanga. I think the sound quality, the stage, I didn't feel in anything. So didn't bring the best in me, you know.
So you just performed because you
Yeah,
had to
because
perform.
I'm here to perform. But yeah, I didn't like it. You know.
Come on. Okay, I get you.
It is what it is. Dog, you were saying you want to say something. I want to hear that.
Based
something.
on your question for Lobola,
Yeah.
a relationship is a seesaw.
Okay.
I call it a seesaw. What you see before you get married is what you saw when you were married. Yeah,
That's
I
beautiful.
call it a seesaw.
That's beautiful.
Why you say
I
so?
think I see it in that way
No,
too.
see, so.
Yeah.
I
So,
see. I see.
Yeah.
the seesaw.
You see me now, presently.
Yeah.
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 I see. You see.
Yeah.
I
So if you Lobola, you already saw what you see now.
Yeah, that's
the seesaw.
wonderful. That's wonderful. That's
It's beautiful how you
Shout out
put
to
it.
Signal.
Yeah.
Signal, man, we're gonna play your last track. It's
Yeah.
loyalty.
It's loyalty.
Yeah. What's based on this track? What is the track all about?
Loyalty, I think there's no unity Caxton. So your loyalty, it's important, guys. You must respect loyalty. You must be loyal to your people.
Why are you saying there's no unity at Kasi?
Because hey, there's too much beef. I'm not loyalty.
Akekho umuntu honest.
Yeah, akekho umuntu honest. So
Yeah.
loyalty, we need those team. This is the team.
Do you think there's
Yeah.
no loyalty in you guys as artists, or
Yeah.
loyalty in just Davidton as a whole, as community?
I think in both ways.
In both ways.
Yeah, in both ways.
So
Yeah.
you guys, you're not honest to yourselves.
Yeah. Abanye, they move with the flow. They go with the flow. The wind
Happy
blows.
one.
Yeah.
Ah.
You are late.
Yeah, babathi umoya uyalina kubaya
Yeah,
le.
bayale.
Umoya mawuyalina kubaya le.
Ends up cause beef died in there.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
It is what it is, but
Let's
we
say
love
loyalty.
Makaya. We are casting radio more local, more often. Fifi, I think you want to say something.
Where can we get you?
Signal yatholakala ku Facebook as SICKNAL91, Twitter SICKNAL91, Instagram SICKNAL91, and go YouTube, you go and check my video there, SICKNAL91.
So tell me, Signal,
Yeah.
in one sentence, actually, how do you deal with DMs? Because yes, I'm artistic, last but not least, boy, so I DM of how do you deal with that?
First of all, I'm not a cheese boy, guys, please.
Okay,
I'm not a cheese boy.
apologies.
But yeah, it depends. I look at my DMs and see if it's business. You know, yeah. Sometimes I just have to encourage people, you know, on your DMs, because they ask a lot of questions. They think we already made it, and not this is a push. We're still upcoming, you know. So just by encouraging, you know, yeah.
That's what's pep. It is what it is. We have our guy here, it's cameraman.
Yeah.
Uzozazisa naye, I introduce ukuthi yena uzengani lana, and then what's pumping. Yenzakalani. Yo, my guy, what's up?
Hey yo, my name is KT, the founder of Alien Blue Films. You can catch me on YouTube. The YouTube channel is Alien Blue Films. Once you see any logo that's written Alien Blue Films, just know that is me, yo. So yeah.
Thank you very much, Makai. So we appreciate to have you in Signal on Caxton Radio, more local, more often. It's Caxton Radio. We at Impala's Palace, the Palace of Dreams, Bafetu. How do you feel to be at Impala's?
Oh, it's nice, but the place, hey, taking the vacation.
Almost got lost there.
You know what I'm gonna do, ne? I'm gonna give you a location, man, Pumana, Nutino Shai Tombe. You can take a scene, a video, nyanda, if you shoot.
Yeah.
This side, have you seen this side?
Yeah.
Nizo around the soil, ngene entrance,
Yeah.
nizo around the soil, nize ngapha.
Yeah.
There is beautiful place that side.
Yeah,
You
okay.
can
That's
take
very
pictures,
cool.
guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it is what it is. Anytime you want to come, you can come signaling.
Yeah.
Thank you, Makai. I appreciate everything. Anytime that you want to come, you know, hala Smashiso and say Smashiso, couldn't take keep high.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep. I think 27 April.
27 April.
EP, yeah.
That's what's
Come
pumping.
back
That's what's
here.
up.
This is your
And we
home.
just dropped the music video. It's called. It was.
I saw the video. I saw the video.
Live from 1520.
Yeah.
Shot by KTL.
Yeah.
Right there, behind me. Yeah.
The quality of the video is so beautiful.
Yeah,
man.
thanks, my guy.
Yeah,
That is
God
my
bless
work.
you, man. Man, if you want your own interview, uzokutshela usignali ukuthi senza kanjani, how
Yeah.
to
Okay.
apply everything. You
Yeah.
can come next week or next week. But next week I'm doing an event on the 10th. It's gonna come and perform.
Yeah, I'm
So,
gonna be performing.
yeah.
Catch me there. Catch me there.
Catch.
Wait.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Lady D, Emina Nawe, it is what it is. MC way to Fifi, Lapa Fifi Cooper,
Okay.
Lady Skelem. He tells us, he tells again, it is what it is. So, Makai, thank you, man. Back to will be on social media.
Social media, I don't have a page yet, but I'm still, my PA is going to create that for me. So, at the meantime, you can catch me on my Facebook account is KT Mashabela. That is my Facebook handle, yeah.
Just Facebook only.
Facebook and WhatsApp. I don't know if I can give out my number. Yeah, so
your
that
personal
you can
number?
No.
But don't share.
Give me numbers, okay?
It is what it is. Thank you, people. Thank you, life.
Yeah.
Reason say thank you, people. Thank you, life.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kulunkulu. Siyabonga. Guys, anjani my Easter win?
We're still praying, you know. That's all we can say. We're still
Pray for
praying.
what, man?
Pray for life.
Ah, man.
Yeah.
So, guys,
if corona nenga harm, like if you got any pillows,
Yeah, we pray for that, for healing. You know, they lost their loved ones.
Yeah.
Due to corona.
Yeah. So
That's what
we have you in prayers.
That's what's up. It is what it is, Bafetu. It's 43 minutes to 11 o'clock. Uzongena manje, Make Loud is coming, Youngster is coming, Fifi she's coming.
Hey, I'm here.
Oh,
Where am I
can
coming?
I'm gonna play this song called Illoyalty featuring Fana Boy. I love Fana Boy, man. Fana Boy always like my pictures. Fana Boy always comment on my things.
Yeah.
Shout out to him.
Shout out to him.
Shout out to Fana B.
Yeah, Fana B. It's Fana Boy.
Yeah.
Fana Boy. I'm gonna say Fana B.
Yeah.
BB.
Yeah.
That's what's up. It's
Shout out to
reality.
Fana B.
Basho Bana Papa Louis. One of those.
Never seen friends like this. Put on my side if you're not on the best, it's like blood. Look at the fam I roll with. I give a visit of heaven that's from me. And I got the keys, feel the city like a locksmith. And the dope is, I'm a go-getter. It's much better, all I want is money. I came out from down south. I saw my family at the house thing. And one day, homie, we could make it. I had to do this for my day one. They say just how they gon' pay us. I had to do this for my day one. No, if you get money, they need us. They gave me like a break. They got my kid, but I went to it. I'm not down with what you say.
Shine my bella.
I'm not down with what you say.
Yes. I love this song, man. I'm gonna play this song every weekend. Yo!
I'm getting paid now. 2 cars in the air now. I told the whole we don't fuck around. I'm putting money in my bank account. I don't rap for none. If niggas ain't got off, I cut them off like 4 skins. Said I cut them off like 4 skins. On the way. Every day.
We are playing it, no? Let me share my watch with
It's 25 shots for life. Loyalty. I keep it real, I keep a smile on my face. Loyalty. I keep it real, I keep a smile on my face. Loyalty. I keep it real, I keep a smile on my face. Loyalty. I keep it real, I keep a smile on my face.
So that is the end of today's episode, guys. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and press the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Until next time, same place, goodbye.